Baldwin II of Jerusalem, defender of the Crusader states and the Battle of Azaz. The 12th century was a tumultuous time for the Crusader states in the Levant. Established in the wake of the First Crusade, these territories held by European nobles and knights faced constant threats from Muslim forces in the region. Among these rulers was Baldwin II, King of Jerusalem and a pivotal figure in the defense and expansion of the Latin kingdoms. This script delves into Baldwin II's reign, focusing particularly on the Battle of Azaz, a defining moment in his struggle to maintain and expand Christian influence in the Holy Land. Baldwin II and the consolidation of power. Baldwin II ascended to the throne of Jerusalem in 1118, inheriting a kingdom beset by internal strife and external threats. Born into the noble dynasty of the House of Rethel, Baldwin II's early years were marked by a series of challenges, including the need to consolidate power among fractious nobles and fend off incursions from neighboring Muslim states. His rule coincided with a period of renewed aggression from the Seljuk Turks, who sought to regain territory lost during the First Crusade. Defensive strategies and diplomatic maneuvers. Recognizing the precarious position of the Crusader states, Baldwin II implemented a strategy of defensive fortification and diplomatic maneuvering. He forged alliances with neighboring Christian powers, such as the Byzantine Empire and the Principality of Antioch, to create a united front against common enemies. Baldwin II also engaged in negotiations with local Muslim rulers, seeking temporary truces to alleviate the constant pressure on his kingdom's borders. The rise of Seljuk threats. Despite Baldwin II's efforts, the Seljuk Turks remained a formidable adversary. Led by ambitious Atabegs, regional rulers, such as the Burids in Damascus and the Artukids in Aleppo and Mardin, the Seljuks launched frequent raids and full-scale military campaigns against the Crusader states. These conflicts intensified after the Battle of Ager Sanguinis in 1119, where Baldwin II's forces suffered a significant defeat at the hands of the Seljuks. The turning point. The Siege of Tyre and Baldwin II's capture. The year 1123 marked a critical turning point in Baldwin II's reign. During the Siege of Tyre, a strategic port city crucial for maritime trade and defense, Baldwin II and his trusted ally, Count Jocelyn of Edessa, were ambushed and captured by Belet Ghazi, son of Ilghazi and Atabeg of Aleppo. The capture of these prominent leaders posed a grave threat to the stability and leadership of the Kingdom of Jerusalem, casting doubt on its ability to withstand further Seljuk incursions. Challenges and reforms. Despite the setback of Baldwin II's capture, his previous reforms and administrative measures helped maintain a semblance of stability within the Crusader states. Baldwin II's governance included reforms in taxation, military organization, and infrastructure development, aimed at strengthening the kingdom's defenses and economic base. These efforts proved crucial in sustaining the Latin presence in the Levant amidst ongoing external pressures. The Battle of Azaz. Amidst the turmoil of Baldwin II's captivity, the Battle of Azaz emerged as a watershed moment in the struggle for dominance in the region. Azaz, a strategically significant town located between Aleppo and Antioch, became the focal point of a fierce confrontation between Baldwin II's forces and the Seljuk armies under the command of Belet Ghazi. The battle, known for its ferocity and high casualties, symbolized Baldwin II's determination to reclaim his kingdom and repel Seljuk aggression. Outcome and legacy. The Battle of Azaz culminated in a decisive victory for Baldwin II and his allies, marking a significant setback for the Seljuk Turks in their quest for westward expansion. Baldwin II's leadership and military acumen during this critical engagement solidified his reputation as a defender of Christendom and a resilient ruler amidst formidable challenges. His legacy extended beyond military exploits, encompassing efforts to promote religious tolerance and cultural exchange within the multicultural fabric of the Crusader states. Conclusion. In conclusion, Baldwin II of Jerusalem's reign exemplifies the complexities and struggles faced by the Crusader states during the tumultuous era of the 12th century. His leadership during the Battle of Azaz underscored the resilience and determination of the Latin kingdoms in the face of relentless external pressures. Baldwin II's legacy as a defender of the faith and a pragmatic ruler continues to resonate in the annals of Crusader history, reflecting the enduring legacy of those who sought to safeguard Christian interests in the Holy Land. Thanks for watching in this video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.